Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. But now let's get right in today's topic, which you can tell by the title of the video is regarding none other than Solana. Solana is a project that has gone through a lot, and even that is an understatement. A project that has, seen massive amount of FUD, obviously late last year, seeing the price drop down to $8. And this year we did see SEC label it as a security, and then obviously last month we did see a massive upside. Solana really made some new yearly highs, which was really exciting to see. But what really is next with Solana right now, that's what we're going to discuss. So if you like these updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, and now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Solana as far as the weekly time frame goes, you guys can see it's down about 5.2% over the last week. And obviously if we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, you can see Solana is down about 16.6%. So now you guys might be saying 16.6% is quite a significant drop, but remember the entire market has dropped, and obviously Solana is no exception. So we need to keep those factors in mind. But despite obviously this massive uncertainty, there's a lot of positive things that are happening with Solana, which I'm going to get into right now. So before we get into that, let's take a look at the price. $20.33. It is down about 3% in both comparatives, Bitcoin and USD. It's ranked at the top 10 spot. Really nice to see it at those rankings. And its market cap currently sitting at $8.3 billion with a 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $277.7 million. But before we get into the update, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So before we get into the charts, I just wanted to share some massive positive news for you guys. At this point, you guys might be only looking at the price. You might only be looking at the entire market, kind of in the red right now. But we need to see what Solana as a project it's doing, and it's doing more than ever, and I will explain exactly why that is. You can see Solana continues to show resilience, holding above 200,000 daily active addresses. Ethereum and Polygon are in the same trend, while Avalanche experience a downtrend. So what we're seeing right now is accumulation is happening. Smart money is accumulating. Obviously, Bitcoin has seen a massive, flash crash, if you guys want to call it. We did see a red candle forming after Elon Musk's SpaceX came out and announced that they no longer hold Bitcoin and they have sold all their Bitcoin holdings. Obviously, that is going to impact the entire market. And not only that, we did see SEC appeal that decision from the Judge Torres, who did come out and say that XRP is not a security. So that is really obviously at this point setting a negative tone around the markets. But overall, the projects that have strong utility are making some massive strides, and Solana is one of them in my opinion. And also look at this. Solana has experienced 100% uptime in the last 6 months. Step week recap. So that is great to see. But the icing on top, the best news that is really exciting me is this right here. So Solana has partnered with Shopify. You can see this for yourself. Today, Solana Pay integrates with Shopify, empowering the millions of entrepreneurs and merchants on Shopify to accept fast Web3 native payments with no transaction fees through the end of 2023. So as you do go into quarter 4, we will see Solana Pay and Shopify, really be working together. And this is really what we're talking about, bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. And Solana really is taking that quite seriously. And this is a huge deal in my opinion. Shopify is one of the biggest platforms where people make their own online businesses, and e-commerce is bigger than ever, especially after the pandemic. Literally, Shopify has gone through the roof. People are starting to really take online businesses seriously, and e-commerce is growing at a tremendous rate, and it's not going to slow down. And Solana really tapping in that is huge, and this is great to see. But now let's take a look at the price. What is happening with the price right now for Solana? So Obviously right now we went over the news. You guys might be saying great things are happening crypto ZX. It's clear to see when we're reading those articles, we're reading those tweets, we can definitely see that Solana is definitely doing something right. But as far as the price is concerned, you guys might be saying crypto ZX, why is the price not moving? Why has the price not hit its all-time highs? Remember guys, there is parts of cycles, and right now we haven't seen that bull cycle for altcoins. But speaking about bull cycle, like I said, we haven't really seen that, but we saw a really small effect of that obviously last month when SEC lost that lawsuit against Ripple, and Ripple actually mooned like crazy. Look what happened with Solana. Solana made a new yearly high. It popped out of this accumulation zone, which we are pretty much in since this year started. You can see, if you guys are a follower on my channel for quite some time, pretty much Solana has been hanging within this range for quite some time. And guess what a lot of people are doing? A lot of people are accumulating. Smart money is accumulating. People that see the bigger picture are accumulating, because right now, yes, the altcoin market hasn't really seen that bull effect to it yet, to the extent where we really see excitement. Yes, there are certain projects that have seen that, but I'm talking the overall market. But that does not mean it's not coming. We're seeing more and more, hype coming in, regulatory, things that can obviously take crypto to the masses, especially that massive ETF. If that were to be approved, that will change the entire outlook on crypto. We will see, regular people in our day-to-day lives, that would have Bitcoin accessible in their portfolio literally super easy. So that really shows where this market is heading, and this is really exciting, and smart money is accumulating right now. And it would be shocking to see how much over OTC transactions are taking place. But nonetheless, I'm loving the fact the way Solana is holding still within this range. We have huge level of support built up around here. We did see a few bounces back and forth around this level of support at $22.63, but we did lose that support line obviously on the 18th. We know what happened with Bitcoin. Bitcoin did see a little bit of a drop. I wouldn't really say a little bit, obviously due to the announcement that SpaceX has sold their holdings. Obviously that is going to impact Bitcoin's price, and obviously Solana is no exception. But I'm really impressed how good this project is holding right now. Look at the level of support that's coming in our way. Let me show you guys right here. So we do have a lot of support. We're obviously hanging around within the support. There is a chance that Solana could retest at $18.24 mark. If I bring out the measuring tool, that would be a move of roughly about 10%. But we do need to keep that in mind, because Bitcoin is sitting at some crucial levels. Obviously, if Bitcoin were to go back into the 61.8, which I want Bitcoin to do, that would be great to see. But right now we're approaching this huge level of support at $25,000 BTC. If that were to be lost, 22,000 could be on the table, and obviously that is going to impact Solana as well. But that might honestly be the last opportunity for everyone to be picking cheaper altcoins, because obviously we know what's happening next year. Bitcoin halving is taking place, and look historically, whenever Bitcoin halving happens, we do tend to see a massive shift in the cryptocurrency markets. And not only that, this time around we could potentially see the ETF announcement coming and taking place next year. That could obviously send the markets to Valhalla. So great to see, still in accumulation zone. We almost reached my target that I was talking about for quite some time at $40. We did see the price of Solana go up to $32. But the people that were kicking themselves around that range do have an opportunity to be accumulating once again at these prices. We did see the price drop down about 43% since then. So I'm sorry, not 43%. From its yearly high, we have seen the price drop about 36%. So a great deal, especially for the people that were wanting to reload up their bags. You might have the opportunity right now. Really bullish on Solana's future. Obviously, it is going to be one step at a time, but everything is falling in place. But let me know down below what you guys think. Also, let me know if you guys are enjoying these updates, and I will bring you guys these updates more often. Usually I'm sticking to every other day, so I will give you guys another update for Solana on Sunday. But with that said, I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.